Me again. I'm highly disappointed. I didn't bring any more gum. I want to chew on some gum, but I don't have any anywhere. No gum intended. Did you know they make... This is totally unrelated to the video I'm going to make, but did you know that they make plastic rivets? I don't know if this will work. But years ago, I bought plastic rivets. Of course, I gotta... Anyway. It's for the... Of course, I can't just have it again. Which one does it fit? Which one does it fit? Is that how it works? Yeah. It was in that one. I never knew they made plastic rivets until I bought an Austin Mini years ago, and I was told, put the plastic rivets on the... put them on the fenders, so when somebody hits your fender, the fender rips off. You put the metal ones, it won't rip your fender off, which was an awesome idea. And never had the chance to have anybody tear my fender off, so it was a good thing. Never had to test that one out, thank goodness. My car's still here, with the plastic rivets. I gotta get it working. I don't know if I'll ever get my car back on the road again, but you know what? It's my car, so anyway, you stick the plastic nub in there, like so. And then you just, no, and just keeps clink, and I don't know why it doesn't stay, but see, there we go. It's like one of those things that go on the wall. But anyway, I didn't make this video to bore you with plastic rivets or boring little rivet guns. This video is about me and a motorcycle, my obsession with Hondas. I picked up a couple of Honda parts. When I mean a couple hundred actually. This is a boring video. I bought this. See, there's little rubber pieces. I think this is for the back end of the brakes, I think. Not really sure what this is for, but it's a part of a Honda. And there's, that one is already, this is for the back, I think too. I don't know, whatever. There's an entire bag of this stuff. Why did I buy this? Because look how nice they are. Nice bolts. See? Bought a whole bag of, I don't remember what this is for. This is for the frame. There's this is the little thing for the gas tank. It's kind of chewy. Back brake thing, lug nuts, engine parts. Oh, and there's on top of that, there's another bag. An entire set of bolts for an 86 Honda. You know this goes. This is for the handlebars, I think. Screws in there. I don't know which screw goes in there. Don't know which screw goes in there. Oh. Nope, not that one. That's the brake adjuster. What I'm gonna do is most likely polish most of these bolts. There's a lot of weird bolts in here. See, that one's got a little tiny thing on it. Don't know what that's for. Lug nuts. Cool bolts. I have nowhere to go. No idea. Lug nut. Another 10 bolt. This is for, yeah, you know what it's for. I don't know what it's called. Does that go in there? Nope. It doesn't go there. Does that one go in there? Nope. That don't go in there. That one? Nope. That's for the fenders. So anyway, that's one bag of bolts. Let me pause it and I'll show you the rest. This other bag has a few more parts. I think this is the oil cable. This is like a dipstick too. I'll feel like such a dipstick. I don't know where that goes. That's for the back fender. This, I have no idea where it goes. This is, I don't know what the hell this is for. Anybody got a clue what part that is? No idea. This is the trunk lip thing. Actually, I need one of these little plastic things. It holds the, this is the trunk thing that holds the back fenders up. The seat bobbers there. That's for the rear. I think it's for the cable for the tail lights. Little rubber nubs. Cable holders. They look in pretty good shape. I don't think there's. I don't think it goes there. There's. Not sure what the hell this is. These are the clamps for something. Springs. I really have no clue where the hell this goes. What else? I think there's a bag of bolts in here inside of a bag of bolts. What else? There's parts. I don't know where there'd be. This is gas tank parts. There's a whole bunch of. I don't think this is all from 186. This is a 86. Because there seems like there's more parts than, see, because, you know, there's 4 of those. Those in there. That's the axle nut. The nut for the axle. Oil line. These are for the hoses, correctly. This, I've got no clue where the hell this goes. No clue whatsoever. This is a dipstick. I feel like a dipstick. Alright, this, and this. No idea where that goes. Some more lug nuts. Springs, I have no idea where they go. No idea where those go either. These, I think, are the brake little things on the back. That maybe the spring goes on here. I do need one of these. These, I think you can buy brand new, the little nuts here. I was actually going to buy some of these things. But when you buy a little bulk patch here, you get all kinds of extra stuff. The other problem I have is I probably should have took more pictures of the bike before I took it apart. Not so much taking more pictures. The problem is today you have digital cameras and nobody prints them out. So this is full of, well, there's no spark plug in here. Greasy bits. I'm guessing this is from, oh look, even got a light bulb in here. Don't know where the hell that came from. For all I know, this could be from the entire engine. Oh. Anyway, there's a lot of Honda bolts in here. Honda. Actually, I want to check something though. See, I bought these JIS screwdrivers, Japanese industrial standard screwdrivers, and they should fit in Japanese screws. So yeah, there we go. Ah, see, gets it. And believe it or not, it fits really good. That is a really good fit for a little screw. Yeah, if you have a Honda, buy a Japanese screwdriver. Yeah. There's a lot of. So that's my haul for today. Besides the Japanese screwdrivers. Oh, and these Japanese screwdrivers, if I haven't told you in our video, are really nice. Like, maybe I'm dreaming, but the quality control on them, it seems pretty good. So anyway, this is all an 86 pile of stuff. Don't ask me. I'm pretty sure when I take this thing apart, I'll have more bolts. But the whole idea was to get some nice shiny bolts instead of all my rusty crap. Because if somebody's taken it off, I have one of these already somewhere, which is in much cleaner shape. I want to get some rubber cleaner and clean it off. This one looks pretty good. It's just dirty. It's the brake lever cover thing there. Hey, I don't know if it goes this way or I think it goes this way. Park and brake. That's what it is. So anyway, that's my little bolt video. I am, like I said, if you watch my weekly What's New, you'll know that I'm putting a bike back together, and well, you know what? Someone else's parts are my gold. Thanks for watching, Toodles, and eventually you'll see me slogging around on a 86 bike, or you'll see me pushing it around the parking lot because I can't get the engine running. Those are the two possibilities. But or I'll just buy another bike, pretend I put it together, and be like, yeah, look, and I'll just sell your own parts. That's probably a better option. Buy one that's already put together and just sell the rest of it in parts. Get all my money back. That'd be boring. I don't like boring. I like tough and exhausting. So as long as that engine runs and I got a frame, I have another bike. That's my plan. But I have a feeling once I take that out of the bike, I'll probably never get it running again because I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Somebody help me. Help me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not a mechanic. I'm a hack. I'm a guy who owns tools and just likes fixing toys. Yeah, toys. Hondas. Thanks for watching, Toodles, and hope you enjoyed this ridiculous video. Oh, and next time I'll straighten out the video so straight. Thanks for watching.